Hello everyone, I am Prabhanshu Misra from Uttar Pradesh. I have secured All India First Rank JRF Horticulture 2023. I have completed my BSc Honours Horticulture from SBPUT Meerut. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents, seniors, juniors, batchmates, friends and all professors for supporting me during my preparation, and especially thanks to Horti Medium and Agri Topper Academy to help out in my preparation. Here I am share to my experience and how to start your preparation and how to secure a good rank, and also discuss about the question paper, important books and some platform where to attend test series, quiz, etc. Firstly, I have discussed about the syllabus of JRF Horticulture. In major group horticulture, question mainly come from two units. First is general agriculture. It cover about 20 to 25% question, and second is horticulture. It cover about 75 to 80% question. In horticulture unit, fruit science, vegetable science and floriculture, these are three major parts. Maximum question come from these three portions, and other minor parts are plantation crops, spices crops, medicinal and aromatic crops and post harvest technology. Very few questions come from these portions. For general agriculture, I have followed a competitive book of agriculture by Nimraj Sunda sir, Fundamental of Agriculture, Volume 1 and Volume 2 by Arun Katyan sir, and some reading parts are covered in B.D. Singh book. And for general horticulture, I follow the basic horticulture by Dr. Jiten Singh sir and Handbook of Horticulture. And for fruit science, I have followed the essence of horticulture, Glastus Horticulture, and Reddy Reknar for pomology, textbook of pomology by T.K. Chaturpadhyay sir, total 4 volume in this book, and a handbook of horticulture. And for vegetable science, I have followed the handbook of horticulture, essence of horticulture, Glastus Horticulture, vegetable science by D. Singh, compiled vegetable science by Madhusudan Reddy sir, and textbook of vegetable science by Thambura sir. And for floriculture, I have followed the handbook of horticulture, essence of horticulture, Glastus horticulture, and floriculture by Desra sir. And for plantation and spices crops, handbook of horticulture, essence of horticulture, Glastus horticulture, and introduction to spices, plantation, and aromatic plant by Yan Kumar sir. And for post harvest technology, essence of horticulture, Glastus horticulture, and handbook of horticulture. And for medicinal and aromatic crops, only Glastus of horticulture are sufficient. I have practiced in some MCQ books like Treasure of Fruit Science, Objective Horticulture by K. Madhusudan Reddy sir, and MCQ in Horticulture by Bharat Singh Hadda sir. Now coming in JRF 2023 question paper discussion. The question paper is comprising mainly 120 question. For each correct answer, it will get 4 marks, and for each wrong answer, 1 negative marks. I have attempted 117 questions. My aim was to attempt more and more number of questions because negative marking is only 1/4. I have attempted mainly two kind of question. First one is question which I have 100% sure about the answer, and second one is the question which I have 50% sure about the answer. In this year, the question level is moderate and it comprises the different kind of question such as statement based, assertion and region based, matching and normal MCQ. So possible to attend each kind of question if your concept should be very clear and basic should be very strong. Because in statement question, first you have to know which statement is correct, first or second or both statement, then go to take the answer. And in assertion region based question, first you have to know statement are correct or not. If you know that both the statement are correct, then you have to decide if second one is the region of first one or not. In every year, I have seen 1 to 2 questions are repeated from previous year question paper. So I am advised you can cover the all previous year JRF, SRF, net question paper in very carefully. I would like to advise you to start the preparation in second year or third year onwards, and if you can start the preparation in fourth year, then it very less possible to secure good rank because it not possible to cover all the syllabus in 1 year time. I start my preparation from second year onwards. Firstly, I started the general horticulture and general agriculture part. After that, start the fruit science, vegetable science, and floriculture and ornamental. After that, the complete this, start the minor craft like plantation and spices craft, medicinal and aromatic crafts, and post harvest technology. I have prepared self-handwritten notes in which noted down all extra points from the MCQ books, quiz, mock test, and other important books, and I revise them again and again more than possible because revision play very important role in memorization. After the cover in whole syllabus, I started practicing MCQ books and started the group discussion with my dear friends. My friends helped me a lot during my preparation. They used to ask questions as conceptual and factual based, and this is very helpful to me for clear the concept. I have joined the test series in Hearty Medium and Agri Topper Academy. These two test series are very helpful to me during the preparation because they introducing JRF based question. My by taking the topic wise mock test and full length test. I try to attempt almost all the question and also try to secure under fifth rank in every test. Therefore, improve my confidence. I have joined the different Telegram channel for attending the quiz and also join in WhatsApp group for discussing the doubt with friends and seniors. One more thing nowadays, Essence of Horticulture and Gloucester's Horticulture second fully revised edition come. I would like to advise firstly you cover first edition, after that the start second edition. In second edition, all topics are not important, especially minor crafts. In this book, only cover the major parts, and minor crafts are covered in first edition only. And one more information. This year, Agri Topper Academy going to start the test series and target about 300 tests, and also started the online GRF horticulture classes. So interested candidate join the test series and classes. Again, especially thanks to all Hearty Medium and Agri Topper team and my senior Dr. Kripa Shankar Morasan and also my dear friend. Thank you so much.